As the sun begins to fade on a great day, you'll quickly realize how important proper lighting is to keep your home exterior beautiful, safe, and secure. But installing big outdoor lamps can be tedious, expensive, and frustrating. Well, not anymore. Introducing Aootek's Outdoor LED Lights. An easy-to-mount solar-powered outdoor lighting system that turns on automatically at night. Aootek has 120 highly efficient LED lights with a wide-angle illumination, leaving no corners in the dark. You might think that the more LEDs there are, the brighter your lighting will be. This is actually false. Lighting quality depends on the size of your solar panel. Other brands may have more LED beads, but their sizes only reach a maximum of 9.2 square inches. Aootek is 15.8 square inches, much bigger than your average solar lamp, giving you a wider detection range for your property. Bigger, better, and brighter for longer. Choose from 3 lighting modes. The permanent on mode enables all-night illumination. Smart brightness control is for all-night low lighting that turns ultra bright when motion is detected, easily detecting people up to 26 feet within an angle of 120 degrees. Highly efficient solar panels and premium LED lights converts up to 20.5% of sunlight into electricity, perfect for days with lower than normal levels of sunlight. And because it's solar powered, it's a reliable source of electricity without compromising on costs. Place it easily and conveniently around your home for strategic lighting. It stays firmly in place and can stand up to the toughest weather conditions. Mount your outdoor lights onto any surface with the included screws. No complicated cables, dangerous wires, or unreliable sticky tapes. Only strategic lighting wherever you need it. Built to last, Aootek is waterproof, heatproof, and weatherproof. Leave your nighttime worries in the dark. Light up your home with Aootek.